Okay, I'm just going to show you how to do this image tiling thing. So I've opened the image in GIMP here. As first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Layers tab up. So Windows, Dockable Dialogues, and Layers. And this is the thing we want here. I'll just move it out of the way. And the other thing I want to do is click View, Snap to Canvas Edges. There, that'll make our lives easier in a bit. So the first thing I want to do is Image, Canvas Size. I'm going to make sure that that is unlinked. You can see it there. I'm going to double that, make it 178 from 89. Click Resize. Okay, I'm now going to go to the background layer here. Right click on it, go Duplicate. Now I'm going to make sure this Move tool is selected, and then click here and drag down so that it snaps nicely into place there. Now the other thing is that there'll be a bit of a seam here. You can't see it because of the little dotted line, but I want to get rid of that so that it fits perfectly. So to do that, I'm going to go Layer, Transform, Flip Vertically, and you can see now we've doubled it and it's going to be pretty good quality still. So just to make things simpler, I'm going to merge this now so that we haven't got two layers here. So right click on the top one, merge down, and now you can see a nice smooth border in the middle. So the next thing to do is just to repeat that over again, except I'm not going to need to flip it because this edge at the top now matches up with this one because it's already been flipped. So to do that, I'm going to go to Image, Canvas Size, make sure that's unchecked again, we don't want that checked. I'm going to double that up, which will take us to 356, click Resize, and we've got more space again. Right click on background in the layers, duplicate layer, drag it down, so make sure the Move tool selected. You see we've doubled it again, and then we'll merge these down. So right click on the background copy, merge down. And I think maybe if we do that one more time, it gives a nice, not far off being square image. So Image, Canvas Size, make sure the chain's unchecked, take that 356 and double it, which takes us to 712, and then click Resize. You see we can't really see it, but I'm going to scroll that down. Right click on background, duplicate layer, click and drag so it matches up. See it matches up there, and now all there's left to do is merge the two. Right click on background copy, merge down, and now if I enlarge this, you can see we've got a nice big square image. Last thing to do with this now is to save it. So I'm just going to click File, and now I'm just going to save it over the original because obviously now we've got a big one, we don't need the thin strip, but you could use Save As to save it differently. But save, this little box will pop up, I'll click Export, set that to 85, that should be fine, click Save. And you can see now, if I open it, this is the image I just created. You can see it's nice and big. Okay, and then you just load that into Symfony as you've been doing, and you've got a nice big image and you can't tell it's been tiled. Okay, cool mate.